realistically, we haven't spoken about any of this. So, so what I'm gonna do instead is just I'm gonna just do this question, and you're gonna just see how it's done.
Calm.
And then
Flex
like
on them.
we'll just see what happens.
Wait, let me get my little sweets and treats.
Instinctively, when it comes to algebra, we've spoken about before, expanding brackets should be instinctive. Also, getting rid of fractions should also be an instinct we have. In solving equations, we hate fractions, we hate brackets. We're gonna get rid of those things. The way we get rid of these fractions, the way we get rid of all fractions, is by times in the denominator. So we times this denominator over to there, and at the same time, we may as well times this denominator over to here. That creates 2x plus 1 times this, 3x minus 4. That's going to equal that times that, so x plus 8 times the x plus 2. As we should know from this stage, from expanding brackets, we just do the FOIL concept. If you don't know what FOIL is, watch previous video. And this is going to give us the 6x squared, and I'll just do this in one go, so that's going to be minus 8 plus 3, so minus 5x minus 4 is going to equal x squared plus 10x plus 16. And now collecting like terms, putting everything on the same side, we can see we've got two quadratics here. Remember, we know it's quadratic because it's got an x squared. We've got two, combine them to make one. So minus everything from here, stick it over this side. So minus the x squared to give us 5x squared, minus 10x here to give us minus 15x, and minus 16 to give us minus 20. And that's now going to equal 0. So this is something we didn't deal with in our previous quadratic thing, but it's not that deep. Everything here is divisible by 5, so we just divide it by 5. Divide 5 to the other side. X squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Nice easy factorization here. X and x, obviously, it's going to be a 4 and a 1 times by that. So minus 4 plus 1. Very nice, well done. And now this final step that we probably should have done in the quadratic one before, but we'll do it now anyway. If you watch all these videos, then you'll learn everything anyway. If x minus 4 and x plus 1, the answer is, I just it right, x equals 4, x equals minus 1. And we're going to do a separate video on
X equals both of them.
X equals, there's two values of x that are the correct answer. You need to find both of them. We're going to do a separate video on solving quadratic equations, so keep an eye open for that. But as far as now is concerned, we have done algebraic fractions. Well done, guys.
Come on.
This has been Classism. Thank you for watching.
Yes,
Thank you for listening. We hope you've learned something.
Yes, they have.
I have been the fucking maths tutor. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
Yes, you have.
Have a good day.
Peace.
Sensational. What thing I do for you, girl.